What is going on, everybody? This is S Trades, and in today's video, we're going to go over how to get your first payout in 2026. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So, if you guys are profitable, if you're not profitable, if you never got your payouts, if you did get your payouts, don't worry, this video is still going to be very helpful. Now, this is by far the easiest method to get a payout in 2026. If you guys aren't utilizing this method that I'm going to teach you guys in this video, then you guys are missing out and you guys are just a bunch of losers. Now, the reason being for using prop firms to get your payouts is, you guys don't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money to open a big live account, and trade with big money and stuff. So instead, we're going to be using a prop firm where you pay a little bit for the challenge and you could, have a crazy return at the end, right? So what prop firm am I talking about? You guys probably know all these big prop firms, right? Top Step, Alpha Futures, My Funded Futures, Stratify, things like that. They're all great, but this prop firm with this specific challenge, this specific account is absolutely cracked, guys. This is where I got the most payouts from, and you could get payouts every single day without any tips, without any tricks, without anything hidden. It's super easy, super straightforward, and the prop firm that I'm talking about is Stratify Select Daily Plan. Now, before I say anything, I'm not affiliated with Stratify, but I really would like to be. So if Stratify, if you guys are watching this, please sponsor me, because pretty much I'm recommending everyone, all my friends, all people that I know to trade with you guys. So if you guys are watching, please sponsor me. But anyways, so we're going to be using Stratify Select Daily. Now, you guys might or might not know what it is. So let me just quickly explain. So this is Stratify, guys. You have 3 different account plans. You have your Lightning funded, which is, you buy straight up a funded account. You have your growth account, which, if you guys know, like on Alpha, it's pretty much a 1-day pass, and you guys trade like regularly, get your 5 winning days and you get your half of that payout and stuff like that. However, with the Select plan, they give you 2 options, right? So with the way Select plan works, right, you have a little bit of a longer evaluation period, but once you actually pass that evaluation, you have a choice to either go with a daily plan or with a regular 5 winning day plan, right? So let's quickly go over this, right? So you guys can pick a 25 or 50K account. I would suggest you guys go with the 50K account with my code. I'm joking, I don't have a code, but hopefully I will soon. But with a coupon, you could have $100 account pretty much for $100 that costs around $165, which is a pretty good deal. Obviously pick TradeAway, if you guys want to use anything else, right? Now, the way this account works, right, you have a 40% consistency rule, meaning you have to trade for that account in 3 days, so you can pass that account in 3 days, right? The biggest amount that you can have during a single day is $1,200, right? So if you make 1,200 and 800, right, you pass, because you got to make $3,000 profit to pass an account, right? You have your drawdown amount end of day, of course. It's really good. You have the trailing max drawdown, so the max amount you could lose is $2,000. You have no daily loss limit, so you could risk pretty heavy and be chill, because you have the full 2,000, right? You don't got to worry about that $1,000 daily loss limit. And the max amount of contracts you could use is 4, which is a little bit too much. I would just suggest to keeping it to 1 to 2 max. You don't gotta go that big. You don't even need that big, right? So let's just take a look at the plan and how it works, right? So like I said earlier, right, you have a minimum of 3 days that you gotta trade on the eval, right? So again, like I said, 1,200, 800, or 1,000, however you guys want to split it, right? You split it up into 3 days. You get funded account, right? You have that 40% consistency rule, right? Now, the way you would choose after you pass the account, you could either choose a flex plan or a daily plan, right? Now, the difference between those two is flex is just a regular, 5 winning day period. If you get your 5 winning days of a minimum of $200, you get your payout. But however, with the flex one here, compared to the regular growth, the payout cap is much bigger. So if you just take a quick look at what the payout caps are for regular flex select accounts, right? So you have a $3,000 limit on a 50K, which is pretty massive for a 50K, right? Nowadays you can only withdraw 1.5K. This is almost double, not almost, it's exactly double, right? So this is pretty much how all your other accounts are. You get your 5 winning days, right? And you guys should know by now, right? You got no daily loss limit, which is again a really, really good thing, right? A lot of prop firms have a daily loss limit, which can cause you to lose, but we're not talking about this plan. Okay, let's go to actually the good plan, right? So Select daily payout policy. This is where everything changes. This is the complete game changer, right? And just so you guys could see that I'm not capping, right? If I just go on my payouts, literally most of my payouts on Stratify is all on the Select Daily, right? So right, there's all Select Daily plans, right? That's the only one that's from growth, but everything else is pretty much on a Select Daily plan, right? You get $1,000 every single day, because on a daily plan you could get paid out every single day. I know it sounds crazy, right? So now let's take a quick look at how the actual plan works. So the way it works is once you choose the plan, so let's say in this case you're choosing your daily plan, right? So what you have to do is you have to meet a certain buffer first, which is 2100 and a 50K, right? Which pretty much means, so you started with the 50K, right? You have a $2,000 drawdown limit, right? Unfortunately, you do have a daily loss limit, right? On the 50K is $1,000, right? And you have to meet that buffer system, right? So for example, on the 50K account, your standard account, right? You would have to meet this profit, right? So you have to be above 2100 to be able to withdraw anything. So let's say you pass the account, right? And for you to start taking payouts is pretty much anything above 2100 is all yours. And the payout cap is 1,000, so the max you could withdraw is 1,000. But anything between, from 2,100 all the way to 3,100, because 1,000 is the max amount you could have for one singular payout. You could have 500, you could have 700, doesn't matter, right? But the main important thing is you have to reach this buffer zone, which is 2,100, right? And again, who is this even dashing? Who is it for? Traders who want consistently daily cash flow and structured risk management, right? So this plan, you guys don't understand how cracked it is. Like, you guys don't need to go and try to go for these huge big home runs, trying to get like a $10,000 payout or whatever. This is all you guys need. Once you start, consistently building up those payouts, right? And especially if you have multiple of these accounts. So imagine if you have 5 of these accounts, right? You copy trade all of them and you reach that buffer zone, and let's say you get $1,000 a day, right? So you withdraw $5,000 every single day. Do you guys know how crazy that is? So literally all the way this account works is once you reach that level, right? Bam, you're at 52,100, right? So let's say the next day you make $1,000, you withdraw 1,000. The next day you make 1,000, you withdraw another 1,000. The next day you make another 1,000, you withdraw. The fourth day you make 500, you withdraw 500. So you guys are literally getting paid out every single day. You don't gotta go for these 5 winning days. You could literally get paid out every single day. You can see money in your bank account literally daily, right? Now that's how I started getting more payouts personally, because I would always struggle with the 5-day plan. I would always fumble on the 4th day, and I'm most likely sure that all of you guys are having similar issues, right? You get to your 4th day, or you have 4 winning days, and that 5th winning day you just crash out. You lose your whole account, you lose everything you had, all the progress that you built, just because you're that. And the 5th day you're super like, oh my god, like I need to get this payout, and you guys start to crash out, you start to make mistakes, right? With this account, it eliminates it all, because you could literally make payouts, you could literally get money every single day. So you don't really have that much pressure as you would have on a 5 winning day. Obviously you would still have that, feeling of trying to get the money. But anyways, I had to pull up the calculator real quick for you guys, right? So like I said, right, you have to pass in 3 days. So let's say, you just make $1,000 across 3 days, right? Bang, you pass the account, right? So you pass it in 3 days. Now your account starts at $50,000, right? The way I would go about this account is go a little bit more aggressive at your first day, right? Just so you could try to build that buffer as soon as you can, right? So now that doesn't mean that you guys go try to force some dumb trade, or try to get $5,000 billion or whatever. No, still have everything structured, still have your strategy and everything, but just try to risk a little bit more, just a little bit more on that first day, just so you can build that buffer as soon as you can. This is exactly how I do it, right? So I get to my 50K account, right? My balance is at $50,000, right? So usually I would trade with 2 contracts, right? So with 2 contracts, right, it would be $40 per point, right? Because obviously it's 2 contracts, right? So if I'm just going for 20 points, right, I'm making $800, right? Usually I'll go a little bit more. I'll go anywhere from like 40 to 50 points, right? So let's say you get 50 points, right? 50 points per trade. You don't gotta go that much, but I'm just saying with 2 contracts, 50 points is already $2,000. So if you could catch anything from 30 to 50 points, you're already either at the buffer zone or you're very, very close to it, right? So let's just say you make 50-point bang on your first day, right? So you're already at $2,000, right? So now your account is sitting at $52,000, right? Bang, right? You're almost at that buffer zone. Leave it till the next day, right? So the next day, right, let's say you make another $1,100. Again, you're risking 2 contracts, right? And for you to get that 1,100, I would say 25ish, like 27 points. Yeah, like 28 points you would have to get. So let's say the very next day you get your 28 points on the win, right? Bang, you already met that buffer and you just made 1,100. Now what does that mean? Your account is now sitting at 2,000. Sorry, now your account is sitting at 53,020, right? What does that mean? Now in just simply 2 days, right? The first day you got $2,000. The second day you made 1.1K, and now you can withdraw a payout literally the second day. So now you take a full-on withdrawal, which is $1,000, and that's it. You have that money. I know it sounds crazy to you guys maybe, and you're like, oh well, there's something else hidden. There's nothing hidden, guys. It's literally straightforward as this. even let's say if you try to go for a big day, let's say instead of going for 50 points, you catch a banger, right? You catch an 80-point move, let's just say, right? You could get paid out that same exact day. Now you guys don't have to do this. I'm just giving a hypothetical scene. You don't gotta go for the whole first day, get your payout right away, but you could get paid out as soon as your first day on the funded. That, how crazy is that, guys? And you just gotta do this on a consistent basis, right? So you get to your buffer zone, right? You withdraw the first 1,000, right? It goes back to 52,100, right? And obviously, you're gonna probably have some losing days, which is totally fine, right? Let's say if you lose $500, right? It's still fine, but you just gotta be above this buffer zone of $52,100, right? So as long as you're above there and you're making anything above that point, all that money is yours every single day, right? Guys, I promise you guys, if you're not utilizing this plan, you guys are missing out. This is literally the #1 way how I started pulling out money out of the markets on a day-to-day basis. Literally, because I would always go on those win streaks. I would always win my first, second, third, even fourth day on a funded account, right? And I would never see anything because I'm always, chasing that fifth day. I'm like, oh my God, I'm on a fifth day. And if you guys really think about it, you're trading 5 days, right? And max payout on a 50K would be 1.5K, right? Because let's say you get to $53,000 on a regular 50K account, right? You could withdraw half of that, which would be 1.5K, right? So if you're withdrawing 1.5K every 5 days, that is almost literally negative RR compared to this account. You could literally withdraw $2,000 in 2 days on this account compared to 1.5K across 5 days. And God knows if you're going to lose, throughout that day. So it is very, very likely for you guys to make more money on this account because you have a lot more chances to win on your first few days rather than full all on 5 days, right? You could also win a full 5 days, which is no problem. But with this plan, you'll have so much more chances of getting that payout. And guys, trust me, once you actually start to see that money in your bank account, everything will change. You guys are going to start to feel that this whole trading thing is real. And you guys are going to see that, okay, this is actually realistic. I can actually achieve it. And then you can start trying to get your bigger payouts. And again, like I said, if you get just simply 5 accounts, you could be getting paid $5,000 every single goddamn day. And this is absolutely insane, guys. Please hop on this. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Like I said, guys, I'm not sponsored by Tradify. I would would be gladly to be sponsored by them, but not yet. So hopefully sometime in the future. But like I said, guys, this is the easiest way you guys could get paid out in 2026 with one of the best prop firms out there, right? Hop on Tradify. They pay you out super fast. Every time I request my payout, I literally get the payout in an hour or two. I request that like at 6 p.m., because that's the end of the day, and I'll receive it anywhere from like 7 to 8 o'clock that same night, which is insane. You would literally see that money right away. And it's Rise, which if you guys know, it gets straight to your bank accounts instantly, and you guys can have money every single day just like that. Simple. For this video, guys, if you have any other questions, if you need some help with anything, comment down below, join my free Discord, and I will see you guys in the next video.